You can definitely taste the different peppers you added.
Thanks to that secret ingredient, the flavor is there. Oh my goodness. This chile lime condiment enhances the flavor of fruits, popsicles, agua frescas, candies, and so much more. I'm talking about Tajín. This is my homemade version. Great texture, beautiful color, and the flavor is definitely there. We've got 5 ingredients, and one of them is salt. 2 tablespoons of ground guajillo, 1 tablespoon of ground ancho chile, 1 teaspoon of chipotle powder. You can substitute this for paprika, 2 teaspoons of kosher salt. And for our special ingredient, which is going to give us that acidity and tanginess that Tajín is known for, 1 teaspoon of food grade citric acid. Give it a quick mix. You can really see that ground chile across the entire mix. I'm gonna store it in a small airtight glass container. Keep it in a dry, cool place because we're trying to avoid humidity and away from sunlight. This can be used right away, which we're gonna do with fruit cups. But if you leave it overnight, the flavors simply intensify. They open up beautifully. Let me show you the difference between the homemade version and the store-bought. You can clearly see those vibrant colors on the one we just made. And remember that the full printable recipe is going to be available on villacocina.com. So what I've got here is your typical watermelon, cucumber, and mango. And for myself, because I'm trying to do low glycemic kind of snack, it's going to be some cucumber and strawberries. Do some lime juice, some chamoy. You could also do some hot sauce, but I'm going to add my homemade chile lime condiment. So what do you think?
Let's taste.
So good. I love me a fruit cup with this condiment. It's just so good. But I'm gonna add a little Valentina.
Wow, the flavor is so intense, so pronounced. You can taste the different peppers. Boy, you can definitely taste the different peppers you added.
It's not spicy, it's mild in flavor. But thanks to that secret ingredient, the flavor is there. Oh my goodness. No comparison, huh?
Wow, no way. This one has no problem with the store-bought, but this one has the actual flavor of the chiles.
This one is like well balanced. That's the great thing about homemade. You can adjust it even to your own preference. Try it at home. Support us by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, because that's how you show us your love, your support. We see it, we appreciate it, and it is what keeps us going.
Until the next one, everyone.
See you on the next one. Bye.